folks, Aaron from Beansprout here, and I have a charming little soprano to show you. I love the old sopranos, the really good ones with that nice loud barking tone, but I also want, the modern playability, a little more sustain, a little more warmth, and so it's been a long-term process for me to get my sopranos kind of dialed in like that, So in this case, we started with some beautiful local walnut here. This is from a tree that was up in Parkdale, and it came from my friend who has a sawmill, and I just got all the short boards from this log, and I love the sapwood in it, and it actually ended up being a little curly here, which is cool. So there's the sapwood there, and then guess what? We put it up here too. Pretty nice, huh? And then it's got a western red cedar top, and this is some cedar that is just some like salvaged wall panels, architectural salvage, and the neck is the same. It's mahogany, also salvaged, with these little walnut stripes. So it's all West Coast wood or salvaged wood from architecture here on the West Coast. And so with my little sopranos, it's just 12 frets to the body, and we want it to be as lightweight as possible so we get that good sound. And for the cedar tops, they have a little puff that I like, that I really like. Yeah, feels great. So this is for a customer named Jason, who's been a long-term supporter of us, and this is number 1002. So, and it's got a pickup in it too, which is very nice. So, cheers. Thanks, Jason.